Yeah. We're going to ride a helicopter.
Yay!
First helicopter ride together
Yeah.
here in South Carolina. So we're heading to the boarding area right now. And we are pretty much excited.
We're gonna ride a helicopter for the first time.
Here we are.
There are moments in our life that we shake off the past and just let things be. And it is in that moment that we are able to transcend all the things that had happened to us that we want to forget and embrace a new moment in your life, knowing that whatever ahead is always beautiful. Life is so beautiful. Every moment, every day. With that short ride, I realized that at times life is just like that, very momentary. And it is how we react and how we respond to whatever life brings that really matters. And it is really good to do the best we can as we move on and as we live life day by day, moment by moment. I know the emotion here, those smiles, and that very moment. That is one of my most unforgettable moments in this journey with my wife. I love it, and this will be one of my best memories as I journey through this life. So whatever it takes, live life to the fullest. After all, this moment is our life, and only these memories would remain forever.